Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to show you how to download DuckDuckGo, the browser. And the reason why I'm going to show you how to do that is because I know DuckDuckGo is a good website, keeps your privacy, and protects you. And no hackers can hack your computer. I don't know. That doesn't happen that often. But I'm going to show you because just like in my last video, I taught you how to change your search engine. But now we're going to install the app. So, what are we waiting for? Let's start. So, we're going to type duck, duck, go, obviously, download. And just to tell you, my next video is going to be how to download Ecosia on Windows, but that won't be the title. It'll be something to do with that. I'll make sure I'll count all those search engines in. But yeah, I promise you, that's gonna be my next video. It's gonna load. Okay, so it's loaded. So we're going to go into load DuckDuckGo for Windows, Mac, iOS, and Android. I suggest you to go on this. I'm not too sure about this. Yes, it's secure, but I suggest you go on this first website. So you're gonna click on that, and then it's gonna take us to its website. Okay, after that, we're going to press download DuckDuckGo for Windows. Because I think DuckDuckGo and Windows is a good combination. Like it says on the bottom, it says has protection, privacy, and a peace of mind. What else does it say? Yep, you can have DuckDuckGo on your phone too. I'll probably teach you how to download that later on mobile. Okay, so it shows all these options. The thing is going to install quickly. It will install automatically. So, like it says, open DuckDuckGo, install it in downloads, select install, and that's it. DuckDuckGo should launch automatically. Here. By the way, I've downloaded this before, so I don't need it to download. So I'm just gonna do this. I'm gonna go into the files, go into downloads. It's gonna load. Working on it. And see DuckDuckGo installer. You're gonna click on that. If it's not automatically downloaded, you probably need to refresh the page. I suggest you do that. So you're gonna double click or just click on the task on the bar. See, it's gonna load. It's gonna give us a nice background when it needs to go into install. Okay, so see, you're a few steps away from more privacy. Search privately and block trackers, like I said. Block annoying cookie pop-ups. Ba-ding. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do. I know it's annoying. Watch YouTube without targeted ads. Poop. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Hide your email address so no one can see it. So you're going to press install now. Internalizing. And this may take a while. So let it load. Now it's installing. Okay, so we're nearly there. 94. In case you didn't know how the percentage just got faster so quickly, I just paused the video and I've just unpaused it. Yeah, and make sure you do subscribe too, so that we can hit 35 or 40 subscribers. That'll be great. Correct me if I said I, or correct me if I said we. I mean I. Alright, so it's installed. You can see there's something red on the DuckDuckGo. It looks like we've just got it. Let me just drag it so that you can see it. Yep, we have done it. We have downloaded DuckDuckGo. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and let's see if we can find my channel. Hi there, ready for a faster browser that keeps you protected? I am. Let's do it. Alright, search privately by default. Chrome can't do that. DuckDuckGo can do it. Block third-party trackers. Chrome can't do it. DuckDuckGo can do it. Block cookie pop-ups. Chrome can't do it. DuckDuckGo can do it. Block targeted ads. Chrome can't do it. DuckDuckGo can do it. Delete browsing data with one button. Chrome can't do it. DuckDuckGo can do it. Play YouTube without targeted ads. Chrome can't do it. And DuckDuckGo can do it. Gosh, that was a mouthful. But yeah, that's true. You should use DuckDuckGo as your default browser, I suggest. So make DuckDuckGo your default. I'm going to press skip, but I suggest you to do that. I'm just going to press skip. Yeah, I'll pin to the taskbar. I suggest you pin to this taskbar as well, please. Alright. Import bookmarks and password. Not now. I'm gonna press skip. Block even more ads. I'm gonna turn that on. Next. Customize a few things. Yeah. Restore previous websites and start up. Yeah, what's the big deal? Add a shortcut to your home page in the toolbar. Yeah, show the home button. Let's start browsing for my YouTube channel. DuckDuckGo.com. There we go. Now you're going to see if you can find ourselves on the DuckDuckGo browser. Chris Tech Official TV. I'll type date. Okay. We're going to get that at, and let's see what we can find. Try a search. Your DuckDuckGo searches are always private. Oh, that's great. No one can see what you're browsing. Alright. I'm assuming, yeah, it's on the first one. Before I continue to YouTube, I need to use cookies. Blah 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 blah. I don't care. DuckDuckGo can keep mine privately. And in case you didn't know, this is my 60th video on my YouTube channel. 60th. There we go. Let's go. How to change my search engine, like I told you. I did that video yesterday. In today's video. How to install YouTube on PC 2 days ago. How to go into the computer's UEFI system. You get the idea. Yes, I achieved 30 subscribers. But yeah. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you like this video. Press like, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you on another video.